Hey, if you're dealing with stubborn weight gain, hormonal acne, facial hair, or fatigue from PCOS, this video could honestly change your life. Stay with me to the end, because I'm sharing exactly how to make a PCOS-friendly plate. We will share what to eat, what to drink, and what small daily shifts can completely turn around your PCOS symptoms from the root, naturally. This isn't just another general video. You're getting real-life meal plans, healing teas, and little-known wellness tips that target the root causes of PCOS, not just the symptoms. What you'll get by watching this video: learn how to build real meals that balance hormones and shrink belly fat. Discover 2 simple teas that help reduce acne, facial hair, and insulin resistance. Get tips to reduce bloating, brain fog, and hair loss without pills. Understand what to avoid that may be making your symptoms worse. Hear the truth about workouts, cravings, and stress most don't talk about. Feel empowered to take control of your healing journey, step by step. PCOS-friendly. Meals that heal from the root breakfast. A hormone-balancing chia, pudding with cinnamon and flax. Fiber-rich, anti-inflammatory, and keeps insulin stable. Lunch, a colourful plate with lean protein, healthy fats like avocado or olive oil, and fibre-filled veggies to nourish your gut and lower estrogen dominance. Dinner, a grounding, healing meal like turmeric cauliflower rice, sautéed greens, and grilled salmon for omega-3s and antioxidants, or chicken soup. Snack ideas, blood sugar-friendly snacks like boiled eggs or walnuts. Bonus tip: always eat protein before carbs. It helps crush cravings and balances insulin naturally. Wait. Here's a simple South Asian diet plan created especially for our South Asian viewers. Whether you're from Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, or Sri Lanka, this plan uses everyday ingredients from our kitchens to help balance hormones, reduce insulin resistance, and support natural PCOS healing. No fake diets, just real, wholesome desi food that works with your body, not against it. Simple South Asian PCOS diet. Plan: breakfast, 2 boiled eggs plus 1 whole wheat paratha. Light ghee. Sugar-free chai. Avoid white bread, sugary tea, or packaged cereals. Lunch: grilled chicken or dal, plus 1 multigrain roti plus vegetables. Palak, Karela, etc. Side salad or plain yogurt for gut health. No white rice or naan at lunch. Snack: handful of roasted makhana or mixed nuts, spearmint or cinnamon tea. Very helpful for hormone balancing. 1 boiled egg or veggie sticks, dinner light dal, or grilled fish, plus sautéed veggies. Optional: 1 small roti, no rice, or few spoons like 7 spoons just. Keep dinner light and low carb. Before bed, optional: cinnamon plus ginger tea for blood sugar and cravings, or spearmint tea for acne and hair balance. Quick tips: drink 2 liters of water daily. Walk after meals. Avoid fried snacks, bakery items, and sugary drinks. But yes, let's be real, if you feel cravings for these, you can take almost 3 to 4 spoons of a dessert, or can take few bites of fries. It's okay, but don't use in excess. Make a good healthy PCOS plate. Teas that actually work for PCOS: spearmint tea. Reduces excess androgens. Shown to reduce facial hair and hormonal acne when used consistently 2 times a day. Cinnamon ginger tea. Powerful for blood sugar control, digestion, and fighting inflammation. Add a dash of lemon or turmeric for even more gut healing benefits. Lifestyle and mind-body wellness. Tips: lift, don't just cardio. Short strength workouts are more effective for PCOS than long cardio sessions. If you can't do this due to busy routine, it's okay, just walk for 30 minutes in morning and evening. It's good to go with. Lower cortisol naturally. Just 5 minutes of deep breathing or grounding daily can reduce belly fat and restore hormone balance. Sleep equals hormone reset. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of deep rest. This is when your hormones actually repair. Heal your gut. 80% of hormone imbalances stem from the gut. Eat prebiotics, cut processed foods, and listen to your digestion. Avoid these PCOS mistakes. Skipping meals or cutting carbs too low leads to worse hormone imbalances. Over-exercising every day raises cortisol, makes symptoms worse. Relying on caffeine or sugar to get through the day destabilizes blood sugar. Listen. You don't have to live with these symptoms forever. Your body is not broken. It's just out of balance. And with the right tools, you can bring it back into harmony. So don't lose motivation. Have some courage and fight the PCOS. If this video helped you even a little, please subscribe to my channel Wisdom Vault for more real tips to transform your health from the root. I will share PCOS-friendly meals and wellness tips to help you find true balance for your soul, mind, and body. Comment to know about your specific question. Thanks. Till then, take care.